folk on YouTube. Look at the flood on the flood on my under my door. Give up a little mulch being formed during this heavy rain, and you can see a lot of rain pouring onto my back deck. Oh yeah, not so much hail, but it doesn't look very good. You see all the rain pouring there. Not good, is it? See all the rain, look. Even my spouting is getting a little bit from that. Look at that, guys. Little malt foaming somewhere. Malt. Yeah, it's so bad. I have to have a bucket. I have to have a bucket. I have to have a bucket in the shed to catch all the water. Yeah, look at the rain. It doesn't look very nice, does it? Oh, look at the rain. And because of that, I'm getting a flood inside the shed. Oh, that's terrible. Absolutely terrible. It looks like a bit of a water feature going on. And yesterday I was having a water feature going on. Having a water feature going on in the. Having a water feature going on there. It doesn't look very good, does it? Looks like a bit of a bathtub going on. It doesn't look very good, does it? I think the heavens are falling down really good, you know.
Things that need to be put towards protecting them,
settling
out.
And the cost of courtroom battles. A 9 News exclusive, Monday at 6.
Check out all the water that's been splashed onto the top of the shed.
Baghdad after polls opened in Iraq's most important election. At least a dozen explosions have occurred in the capital, and hundreds of thousands of security personnel are patrolling cities and towns to prevent.
You can see all the water. It's going rushing.
Empty Baghdad streets, the dawn of election day. Within minutes of polling stations opening,
and it's getting so bad, I'm getting a flood into the shed.
The Iraqi people determined to have their voice heard.
I think there will be a real change after this election. Very important for Iraq. To build Iraq.
These polling stations have been open less than an hour, and already we've heard at least half a dozen blasts across Baghdad.
Everything's getting so wet.
As a day of bloodshed in Iraq. The city has been on the knife's edge. Dozens have died.